To represent data in a pivot table graphically, pivot chart is used. Active at any cell of table. In Analyze tab, Tools group, click Pivot Chart button. The Insert Chart dialog box opens. I select this chart. Click OK. Press mouse and drag down. Click July. Pivot table shows data in month of July. Chart also shows data in column values. In right legend, chart shows dates. In horizontal axis, chart shows name of food items. In vertical axis, chart shows price of food items. You can filter the food items by clicking this button. Click this button. Click OK. Similarly, you can filter the sales by month. Click Filter button. Uncheck the July box. Click October. Click OK. All data in a worksheet is updated. Scroll up. Slicers also shows that month October and dates of October. Now click November button. Pivot table and chart shows month November sales data. By using these three buttons, you can filter data in a pivot table. You can add or remove data in a pivot table. You can refresh data fields in a pivot table. In this way, data is summarized in a pivot table.